Leave at door. Oh, this is going by the rich folks. This is going straight to where the rich folks live at. They got that boom boom bowl. Damn. A boom boom bowl sound crazy. That's crazy. Boom boom bowl. They don't be tipping either. Clean that windshield. How about you get up in here and clean it for me? I do need to clean it though. I do. But I ain't got time right now. I'm making this money. Clean that mug tomorrow when I wake up while I stop at Sam's Club and get my gas. Pindar, what's up, bro? 5 bags of popcorn, what up? Trader, how come you don't help out Uncle Roger, aka Side Hustle Addict? He don't need no help. He got a whole silver play button. I need it. I'm trying to get my silver play button. Anybody that got a silver play button, they don't need nothing from me. I promise you that. I'm trying to get where he at. He got that play button. I'm Walmart sparking and watching Trader at the same damn time. At the same damn time. Shout out to the Horde. $8, 3.4 miles. How much you make after the 1099? Fingers be stinking from taking platinum dash offers. That's hilarious. Fingers be stinking. Bro, that's hilarious. I'm about to start cleaning windshields, dog. But shit, you got a customer right here. But still can't get no tips. Have a safe dash. Appreciate that, sunshine. I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. You always more than welcome. So is DoorDash a scam, y'all? 62% say yeah. We got 250 votes. How long is my dash for? Oh, my dash ends in 10 minutes, y'all. I didn't even realize. My dash is finna be over in 10 minutes. So that means I gotta get this dropped off in the quickest time possible. GPS say 4 minutes. And hopefully they send me another one right away. If y'all send $10 in super chat, I'll take whatever the next order is, no matter how far it's going. Even if it's going stupid far, I'll take it. And I promise you, no matter what it is, I will take it. Even if it's a Walgreens. And I'm banned from Walgreens too. They called the cops on me last time. Even if it's a Walgreens order. From the Walgreens I'm banned from, I will still take it. Backflip tonight or nah? Depends on how much money you made this week, Kevin. Do you have enough to afford a backflip? That's what you should be asking yourself. Because I got the backflips in me, but do you have the backflip money in your wallet? That's the real question. How do I get banned from Walgreens? Cussing out a little fat lady that's shaped like a Pepto-Bismol bottle. Them CVS and Walgreens be paying good. Damn! Shout out to Deborah. Shout out to Deborah for the $10 super chat with the quickness. Damn, sassafras, it's all good. Somebody else came through. She want me to take that order, whatever it is. Oh, man. Deborah just came through for y'all, bro. They about to send me a 50-mile delivery, y'all. Oh, my Lord. Why do I be setting myself up for these kinds of things? I don't even know why I be saying this. I don't know why I be saying this, because now I got to do it. What if they send me a good order, though? Do that count if the order is good, or do it have to be a bad order? It got to be a bad one. Oh, man. It got to be a bad order. That's straight up diabolical. Why y'all got to do me like that? Why y'all got to do me like that? Hey, everybody hit the like button on that $10 super chat. Scroll back, hit the like button. It's 4 likes on it. We need to see 10 likes on that for that $10. 10 likes for $10. And 10 times appreciation for Deborah, because she just gave y'all some content.